It's Wooby, y'all. Hello. Basically, I'm allergic to everything. One of my favorite primary things that I eat is chicken. I eat a lot of chicken and salmon, and a lot of times I've been thinking that I've been dying. Long story short, I'm allergic to chicken. But I like chicken nuggets, so we're gonna try these bad boys out. Indigo Meats. Fake chicken nuggets. I don't really like the idea of being vegetarian, but nature and science decided to make me one, so I'm gonna give them a whirl. I'll let you know how it goes. Bye, boo. So I'm gonna turn the heat on. I know some people are gonna be like, why don't you have knobs on your stove? My grandma would die if she saw how dirty the stove is. I take care of someone who has dementia and I don't want them to burn our house down, so I take the knobs off. So let's go ahead and slide that bad boy on here. Alright, and heat the oil. Alright, I'll be back. So I'm about to go ahead and open these nuggets up. Side note, you see that Benadryl in the background? Because once again, I'm allergic to everything. Oil feels hot as a bitch. Just turn it down a little. Test out the oil. It smells like regular chicken nuggets. Let's see. The oil is too hot. I guess it's not too hot. Alright, I'll be back. Oh my god, it's completely still frozen on the inside. This heat is too high. Alright, so before I dive in, this is how they turned out. Look like regular chicken nuggets inside. Ooh, actually, no, they don't. It looked like some type of stringy weirdness inside. There's no way I'm the only one that believes in the sauce. Ignore this grease right here. So I got a bunch of sauces. That's I believe in it. Chicken nuggets without sauce is a sin. Got barbecue sauce, honey mustard, barbecue sauce, honey mustard.
Great job.
Asian zing, and ketchup. Let's do ketchup first. That's a safe bet. Close to a chicken nugget, but I'm scared. I'm scared. It's like mushy or something inside. Let me try again. Maybe that bite won't together. The outside is crunchy and good with like panko breadcrumbs or something. The texture is mushy and disgusting. Don't buy them. Bye, boo.
Thank you so much. Make sure you smash the like button. Thank you. And make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so that every time I upload a video, you receive a notification so that you don't miss out on anything. You can also follow me on Instagram. It's Wooby87, ITSWOOBY87. Hello. All right, bye, boo.